Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Alhamdulillah. Tonight I'll try to give the feedback for our fifth meeting of language testing. Yeah, I'll start giving the feedback for all classes that we have for our meeting today. Yeah, starting with A class, B class, and then last one, C class. Yeah, and then this video, I intended to create this video for AING class. Yeah. To be honest, guys, for AING class, when we had the meeting, there are some kind of misunderstanding about the topic that you guys have to explain while giving the presentation. Yeah, and that's why, as the result for our fifth meeting, I'm asking the first group to make a repetition for next week. So next week we are going to still have the first group. They're going to explain about their topic, and then it is about listening tests, if I'm not mistaken. And I hope next week you guys from A class will have a better kind of explanation, and then a better kind of preparation. And to prepare for next week presentation, I'd like to give you guys, especially for A class here, for the listening test. First of all, you have to explain about the definition of listening tests. Yeah. So first point that you have to discuss, that you have to explain, it is about the definition of listening test. Yeah, and then after that one, after the definition, second slide, you have to mention, you have to explain also about the function of listening test. Yeah, you have to explain it. And then the third slide, you can put the aim. Yeah, aim in conducting listening tests for the students. And then after the aim, after that one, you guys can explain for the next slide how that you are going to conduct a listening test. Yeah, that's how. And then after how, after that one, you can give the type of listening test. Yeah, any kind of listening test, you can mention it with the type of listening test that you can give to the students. Yeah, and then after the types, after that one, you can also mention about the example. Yeah, the example of listening tests. Yeah, the example of listening test here, you can simply put what kind of listening test that you guys oftenly use or joining while you have your listening subject. Yeah, that will be the last slide for next week, especially for A class. Yeah, and then I'm really sorry, guys, that you have to repeat your presentation because while we had the meeting, it's looked like you guys have lack of preparation. Yeah, and then when your friend asking the question, it seems like you need some time to brush the answer and then also to discuss about the answer. Let me tell you guys, when you guys explain, when you guys perform to explain about the topic, so it's mean you guys ready to get the question, and then you guys ready to answer the question. Yeah, so no more discussion that we had, that you guys will have with your group to answer the question. You just have to answer the question based on your guys reading result. Yeah, and then as I told you guys, you have 1 week for preparation, to provide the explanation about your guys topic. And then next week. So you guys have 14 days to prepare it. So I will take no more excuse next week. Hopefully you guys will give us a better kind of explanation, a better kind of presentation. Yeah. And then I really appreciate it. To be honest, I really appreciate the first group today, but it seems like no collaboration and then no teamwork on it, no discussion, and then lack of ability in answering the question. That's why you guys need to repeat your presentation for next week. Yeah, that's all I guess for A class, for A in class here. You guys have to repeat your presentation for next week, and then it will be the same topic. Yeah, one more time. I really hope that you guys will improve the way that you guys explain your topic next week. That's all what I can give you guys the overview of our fifth meeting for A in class. Hopefully you guys can understand why that I asked you guys to repeat your presentation. Yeah, that's all for A in class. And then the last to say, Wallahul muwaffiq wal hadi ila sabil rasad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.